Hello, welcome. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today we're going to be looking at how uh, the variables, the different types of variables. So on our last video, we discussed about the different variables, and we spoke of some integer variable. And this we're going to go in depth. Please, if you're not watching that video, can you just go behind and then or click on the link on this video, you watch the previous video. So in this our case, we are going to look at, I've put everything together. Okay, we have the first one, how to create a variable. We have the int, my num, which is 15, float, my floating number, which is 5.99. Then we also have the character data, which is D. Okay, so in this case, now what do we want to do? We want to print this num. The num or the value that is placed inside this num. Okay, we said that to print any integer value, we have to use percentage %d. And if we want to print a floating point number, we have to use percentage %f. And if it's for a character, we use percentage %d, percentage %c. Okay, and if we run this, let us run it and see. So you can see that we have percentage 15, then 5.990, then we have D, which is the character. Okay, you can still print everything in a single line. Let us comment this section out. Okay, you can print everything in a single line. How can you print that in a single line? What you can say, okay, printf. You say printf, okay, my number is percentage %d, for example, and my character or letter is percentage %c, and my float is percentage %f. Are we there? Now, in each of them, if you want, you can insert next line. Okay, you can put next line there, each of them. And then you can put next line. That is this. Okay, now we put a comma. What are we going to do? We're going to do my num. Okay, take it a bit. Remember, it should be the same. My num, comma. What next is character, okay, or my letter, comma, and my float, num. Okay, we close it with a semicolon. Now, I know I've mixed this up, okay. Before, I supposed to have F before character, and then C. Let us run it, and then we'll see how it works. So it's that error, my float number undeclared. My float number undeclared. So I'm going to make this a bit okay. See, it's not there. Let's run it again. Okay, so you see that my num is 15, my data is percentage. So I'm actually this. So what should I need? Letter is character. So this one should be this way. Okay, let's go and run it again. Okay, my number is 15 and my data is 5 point this and my float is D. So because we have interchange here, the last one should be letter. Okay, Last one should be data, and this one should be float.